Alright, welcome. We are in WordPress and the topic of discussion is how to change the appearance and design of comments. So say you've written a post and someone has written a comment and you're not thrilled about how the comments look on your page. One thing you can do is you can actually turn off comments. So if you look at the post, you've got a section that allows comments. You can turn that off. That would be one way. If you're just dealing with the style, you don't like what it looks like on the screen, you can go to the developer tools, which is usually either Control-Shift-I for inspect. You can right-click on the page and inspect, or you can click on the menu on your browser, go to More Tools in this particular case, and I'm going to the Web Developer Tools, which you see is Control-Shift-I. And so when you go to a page like this, it's best if you right-click and click Inspect, because that highlights exactly what it is that you're looking at. So you see I've got the text highlighted, and I can go up a level and I can see the comment content. That's telling me basically the style of what the comment is going to look like. So say I don't want the comments to show up at all. So what I can do is I can go into the comments ID here, where the comments area even, which is a class, and I can go over to the styles, and for that comments area I can set a style of display. Done. And look at that, the comments are gone. I turn that back on, they're back. Say I just want to change the font on the comment, on the content there. I want to change the font. I can come over to the comment content, because that's the class connected with that section, and I can change the font. Say I want the font size a little smaller. And I'm gonna make it. I can type in a specific size, 10 point or 10 px, and you see how small those get. And you see it applies to both comments. So not just the one that I'm on, because it's part of that class. So the one below has the same class. Okay. So now let's say I wanted to apply that size permanently. So what I'll do is I'll copy that, I'll highlight that with my mouse. I'll work on highlighting that with my mouse. There we go. And copy, right click, copy. And then what I do is I go over into the settings for my website, and I go to the appearance, customize. And in this, you've got a section called additional CSS, which is styles. And you see I've got quite a bit of styling going on. What I can do, and yours is probably going to be empty, is I'll paste it. So I did a Control V, I can do a right click, paste. Now I have 2 copies. Cut. So the only thing that we really changed was the font size. So I'm going to delete those other entries in there, because those get added elsewhere. And so here we have the font size is 10 point, and Let's do something fun. Let's change the color to red. So now my comment is going to come out in size 10px or pixels and color red. And all you have to do is publish. And it's done. So now if I go back to my comments and I refresh the page, I have to go back down to the bottom where the comments are. Look at that. There they are. They're in 10 pixel size and they're red. Pretty easy, huh? So if you wanted a different color or if you want a different style, it's pretty easy. You just go back to our CSS, our additional CSS, and we change the size to say 20, and the color is blue. Alright, blue violet. Okay, it wants blue violet. Let's go with that. I saved, published, refresh, scroll down to the end of the page, and look at that. There's the blue violet. And it's font size 20. Alright? So give me your thoughts. If you want to change something else, like the name of the person, you right click and inspect, and that shows you the particular, let's see, there you go. It's the author, the comment author info. And so you'll be looking for the specific class that's connected to that name. So that's where you would change the style. Okay? Alright. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm at onlineindustryexpert.com, and click below to subscribe or like if you like the video, and I'll make more. Thanks. Cheers.